We're doing 8x cubed plus 27 divided by 2x plus 3. Just a little side note here. Does anybody notice this as maybe being the sum of cubes? The sum of cubes, like from the test, the last test we took. Remember with the a cubed plus b cubed? Yes? I think this one's going to work out nicely. Here we go. So here's what you're focusing on. If you're not sure what to do, term number one, what's the missing link between them? 4x squared multiplied by this would give me that, right? And right here is where you're going to see why I put the red stuff. Distribute here and write the answer there. What's 4x squared times 2x? 8x cubed. What's 4x squared times 3? Now I have my 12x squared right underneath a 0x squared. That's why I wanted the 0 there. All right? Put a line and subtract. I saw some good stuff here. These cancel. 0x squared minus 12x squared is minus or negative 12x squared. Bring down 0x. Straight down. Okay, now you're focusing on term 1. And term 1 only. Block everything else out. If I gave you a test in 7th grade and said 2x times what is negative 12x squared, and that was the only problem on the test, 2x times what makes negative 12x squared, do you think you'd be okay at it? 7th grade. 7th grade. I think you could, right? Okay, fine. If I just said 2 times what makes negative 12, what would you say? And x times what makes x squared? So there we go, right? Negative 6x goes right there. Agree? Multiply it through, all the way through. And here's where I saw some mistakes. This should be negative 12x squared minus 6 times 3? Negative 18x. And I saw some 12s there. All right, so just check that. Subtract the whole thing. Ooh, double minus 18x. These cancel. Negative negatives makes 18x. Who comes down here? I know you can do this. 2x times what makes 18x? Distribute it. 18x plus 27. Are we happy? Because our remainder is 0. By the way, a plus b, right? It's the sum of cubes. Then in position 1 up here, you should have a squared. What's a squared? What's 2x? The whole thing squared. Yeah. Then the middle term should be minus because of that whole SOAP thing. Same, opposite, always positive. Minus what's a times b? What's 2x times 3? You got to make minus 6x there, right? And then finally in third position, what's b squared? 3 squared is 9. So that is the sum of cubes formula right there. All right, that is long division of polynomials